Hello everyone, welcome back PyResearch channel. In this video, we are going to exploring and creating AI agent with custom model, API key, and we will add obviously voice recognition and three flavors is one application. How we can do it? Let's see in our new use case, and we will add image segmentation, and we will cover the YOLO26 in image not image video segmentation part, and hope you like it. How we can do it without wasting time, you will see our screen, and we will create step by step all points. Without wasting time, you see my screen and see the demo first, then we will create our use case. Hello viewers, welcome back to Research channel. Without wasting time, you see my screen. I'm just run python app.py, and obviously we will see the all points and one interface. Let's see how it's working. uh, Here our AI agent have, okay, okay, so our AI agent tell us how we can do it. It's a suspicious activity or not. Okay, so you see the voice, sorry, listen the voice and see the image. Okay, let me open the image. I'm And any type of suspicious activity, we will get the message. Okay, so let's start. How can we do it? Step by step. How we build AI agent with image based, video based, and it will be tracked very easily. Yes, we can do it. And we will add custom model. Yes, we can do it. Multiple type of things will be available in this code, and I hope so. This version is loaded, and best type of video version. We add YOLO26, and if you want to add custom model, how can we do it? Let me show you. And one more thing, uh, in this video we will cover Gemini API, obviously VLM model with Gemini base. So let's start. How can we do it? I press the Control C. Okay, continue. Give us all things, but how we can do it? Let me show you. First of all, you open the your. It's our channel. Subscribers and keep support us for new videos. You go to PyResearch GitHub site. Okay, and you will get all reports here. Okay, some are paid, some are unpaid, some are open source. You will see all things. You see, we will add that YOLO26 code. Okay, we will build very customized, not any type of means, not any hurdles things. How we can install these libraries, how we add the API key, and how we add a custom model. Three type of targeted in this video, and how we choose the open source models, datasets. So let's start from sketch. First of all, I am open the terminal, and here we run it. Pip install installation part need to cover right now. Pip install this one library. Okay, this one just copy and paste here. Okay, and here this one, and here numpy, obviously Google generative AI. We use API as well as. So already installed my side, but you will follow this one step. Installation part is covered. Now we will target the Gemini API. How we can get it? I will show you. Gemini API key. You search this word, and now we will get the Gemini API key. Here, create a new API key. Obviously, you will this one add this one, and you will create this API key from here. Okay, this step also covered. Create API key. Okay, and you see three APIs keys available. You copy and paste, add here. Okay, add here from this one. After API key, you need to add voice. Voice is fine right now. Demo video, or obviously you will add webcam. Put 0. I will add the this one video. Okay, sample video I will show you. Okay, now you can see YOLO11 as small model. Let me add the YOLO26. Okay, where you get this from? This type of things you will go to. It's also open source, no problem. Okay, so let me show you here, and you will see all models is available. Which format you use? Okay, I am close this one, and then close this one, and here close this one. We need to focus on now. Last part is our custom model. Okay, so we will add now one time again. I am run it. Just open the terminal. Focus on the running point. You will see Python version. Python version is covered. Now Python app.py. So it's not error. Okay, keep in mind. And our 26 version will be YOLO download as soon as possible. After downloading point, we will get obviously our API key, model, and voice assistant. Okay, mention all points. Okay, fine. So our AI agent tell us all these points. Is no any type of any activity available. I'm press Q. Okay, agent is stopped now. Let me add now custom part. Okay, and obviously we will cover in this part segmentation point. Let me search out. Okay, our engine is. Let me change the engine. Okay, search engine will need to be changed. Okay, so let me search out the RoboFlow. It's open source dataset. Okay, open source RoboFlow data segmentation. We will target any type of video, no problem. Okay. Um, here, here, this one, segmentation. We will target the only segmentation right now. Okay. Let me explore. Here, segmentation. Okay, fine. So let me explore it. Any retail shop is available. Let's see. Not one. Okay. Mm, we will search out. Okay. We build the real use cases, not any uh, in front of you. We will go to step by step. Okay. So now let's search out the dataset. Mm, okay. Give me some points. Okay. We will search out the shop. So you can see it's a open source platform, and we search out the multiple pages, and searching some vehicles, and yeah, we search out this type of data set. I will show you. It's in front of you, and here segmentation masking. Okay, we will create already video how we trained the YOLO26 model. It's almost same step. I cannot cover the step by step here. I will run and only which step we need. Okay, not much steps we will cover. Okay, and copy dataset and paste here. Let's see now it's working or not working properly. I hope so, it's working well. And we change the path is YOLO v here segmentation. Let's see this model. We will copy and paste here from here. Okay, now 20 is enough for us, but we will see dataset points. Let's see. Here data YXML file is missing. Okay, okay, no problem. I will cover this point. So you can see this data set is one point is missing. No problem. We will change it, and its name is will be changed, and its name is will be mentioned as segment. Okay. So one more thing, we search out. I have in my mind car part damaging data set is available, and it's easy, and obviously we will change the video format. Okay, no problem. It's build our use case. Okay, and here 26, obviously we need 26. Okay, and we will get the model within few seconds. We will add custom models, only missing part we will cover the all AI agent as per our requirement. Okay, so I will here update it, and let's see, and we will change the format. How we can I get this link? I will show you. YOLO 26. We will cover segmentation part as well as from here. Okay, and obviously I am going to CLI part, and CLI part will be mentioned train nano etc, and obviously we will need to segmentation points, and uh, CLI points. I will show you here. Instant segmentation supported. Okay, so this point is will added only. Okay, just predict and export, and you will then add the here this one. Okay, so same point I will add, just remove the detection and add this one. Okay, so our dataset card images is available, and now data XML file is available. Okay, fine, and 20 epos is too much long. We will reduce the 10. It's only for video purpose. Okay, not commercial level. Only you will train more epos. It's fine for you, and our segmentation part is almost covered in this video, and we will cover the installation training part, custom model, we will search out randomly models. Okay, after such this model, custom model, you will add and download from here. Let me show you. Here, dataset, go to dataset. So it's taking time. Okay, when it will is covered, you if you want to more get how to train dataset, it's a detailed video step by step. Okay, we will cover instant segmentation part, and we will focus on the this part. We will add here best model, okay, as per our requirement, and we will change the video path. Obviously we need some different type of videos. We will add it. After added, you will uh, add here the commands as per your requirement. Okay, and then will be closed all points. So running point is same. I will clear it, and just run it python app.py. So our custom model, API key, all things and covered, image segmentation added, our AI agent will be. Okay, so I hope you like our concept, you like our video, and you like our use case. Uh, this video we will cover custom dataset added after API key and installation part, and voice recognition added. Okay, and like human eye, like voice and thinking Gemini API, we will add a combo service in our video. So hope you like it. See you in next video. See you in next part, and see you in soon our next use cases. Okay, keep support us. Keep like our videos. Keep share with us other concept as well as in comment side.